AI, ChatGPT, DALI E, a lot of AI are out now. And the question is, let's talk real personally. So you watch movies, right? And you see some of the cyber movies like the AI tech movies. You see there's a robot in it, a very advanced robot that it does the task of human perfectly. And all that the human does is do some of the thinking parts of the job, which is not very much. But the AI does everything. You see an AI serving food at the supermarket or at the restaurant, an AI washing cars, AI doing a lot of things. And here's the thing, that era is already at hand. It's already here. It was meant to come, and it has come already. So it's not the time for you to be scared or to fear that AI is going to take away jobs and AI is going to do this and that. No, this is the time to embrace what AI has to do. That is why I'm much more grateful that there is some AI, especially the chat GPT AI available. Because you should get to the next stage. You can't be at one stage. In fact, you are already moving forward. Before, when we used to do some things, we don't really involve machines and tools. We do everything by hand. They say the caveman era. But now we have tools, we have computers that we can use to do a lot of this. So there need to be an involvement, and it has happened. So this is not a time for you to shiver and lock yourself in the room or at a corner, then be thinking that the AI is going to take your job. Alright. The thing is, AI is not here to take away jobs, but it is rather here to offer new jobs. So this was going to happen. Taking a farm, for example, before, when there is no machines for it, when you grow a very big farm, you have to use the family or take some workers to work on the farm, especially let's say the harvest part. So you have to take a lot of people to work on that farm to harvest, and this is going to take a lot more weeks or months to harvest if the farm is big, to harvest what you planted, the crops. But there they introduce something like a harvester, combined harvester of machines to work on the farm. And to compare, you see the work that maybe around 150 or 150 people will work on with a week. You can use that machine to do that same work within 24 hours or 48 hours with just two machines and two people. And you see that there's a very vast difference in it. It has made it a lot more faster and easier and reduce much employment, which is very good. Although you say that there are lots of people that has left the farm as workers have lost their job, but the answer is no, they haven't. They have to learn the new technology, which is how to manipulate or use that machine. Then they've moved forward. So what the machine have come to do in this scenario is they've taken the petty job that it is automated. Like every time when you are harvesting, you have to hold cards. That's automate. It can be automated. So that is what the machine has taken for you. So you still being in there have to do the thinking part for you to know that okay, this crop is good, this isn't good, so I have to pick this one out and leave this one eat. So you human still involved in it. Apart from controlling the machine, you are still in it. So you don't lose your job, you just have to learn new or upgrade yourself, and you are still in it. Just catch up with what the technology is trying to offer to you. So in this scenario, comparing to the crops and then AI here, example for the developers who are scared, AI isn't here to take the job. AI is here to automate your stuff for you, make stuff a lot easier, make searching easier. Rather than whenever you are stuck or you have a bug, going to Google or Stack Overflow to searching a lot of answers, you just head up to the AI, example ChatGPT, and just tell, hey, I'm doing this and I have a bug here, how do I solve it? And it is going to tell you the code to use, and it will make it a lot more easier. And don't think it's going to take a job as in developers or a web developer, app developer, and going to take the job of making the apps and websites for you. Much company would not encourage AI doing some stuff for them like that, because they will need the human to do the thinking. You know, human is dynamic. We know how to think, we know the reasoning that AI can never achieve. If it can, it's never now, because we know when to change course when it is needed, when to think or renew our mind when it's really needed. But AI does not do it. Is operating on specific instruction given to it, but we don't need instructions to know that this time we need to do this and this time we don't need to do this. So no matter how AI gets involved, no matter how AI gets improved or upgraded, they will still need humans in companies. So the fact that you are getting scared that AI is going to take your job is not a fact anymore. You don't need to be scared because AI is taking your job. No. AI is here to make stuff a lot much easier for you. All you have to do is grab it, take a useful part about it. Don't think AI is taking anything from you. AI is here to help. So it is meant to come and it is already here. Embrace it. Whatever you dream that there will be a day that robots are going to, yes, it is here. And it is a time for you to catch up with it and learn the new stuff that you are supposed to learn, not the automated one that AI can do. Learn the thinking part, the problem solving part, because humans always want to do things the easier way and the fastest way, and that is why we ourselves have made the AI available to ourselves. So don't be scared, don't lock yourself at a corner and think AI is going to go sooner or later, and pray to God that it's come and take AI away. No, it's not going anywhere. It is here to stay. Alright, so you know AI is here to stay already. This is the time to capitalize on it and do what is right with it and know how to use it essentially, especially for the writers. You know, ChatGPT can do a lot of writing for you. This is the time for you to use it very, very well. For the programming, you know it can code. It's the time for you to collaborate with it and do it very essentially. It's going to be fast and easy to do with it. So this is the time to capitalize on AI. This is not the time to lock yourself up in the room and think AI is going anywhere sooner. The answer is no. AI is here to stay. It was meant to come and now it is here. My name is Johnny and I will see you in the next video. Oh, you're still around? Okay, check out this video here if you really want to know more about AI, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.